SGS is the world's leading inspection, certification, verification, and testing provider. We are a global benchmark for integrity and quality. In the life science sector, we support both clinical and analytical services. Our analytical services are intended to assure the safety, the identity, the strength, the purity, and the quality of drug products and the components that go into drug products, ultimately resulting in the safeguarding of our patients.
So here at SGS we have chemistry services, microbiology services, analytical quality services, everything offered right here. It's a one-stop shop for all our customers.
Some of the important testing, what I would say, is in relation to products that treat genetic disorders, life-sustaining medicines. If those products aren't tested and released to that patient on time, then the viability of that patient may actually be a challenge, and alternative therapies don't necessarily exist to keep that patient in a healthy state that they are now.
SGS is a global company. We have an integrated LIMS management system, which is a laboratory management system. The clients contact us, they send us the samples, it's logged in, and we send the status reports to the client. There are various facilities in our locations wherein we can integrate the data into their LIMS system too, so they are updated on a constant basis to see what the status of the sample is, what process it is in.
The fact that we do have a network of laboratories means that we can actually work with our sister locations and transfer methods, send experts to help establish testing.
Over the past couple of years, FDA regulations have become more and more stringent. So as soon as the guidelines have been updated, we get the most updated USP manuals, EP manuals, GP manuals. It's routed within the departments for review and approval, and to check if any of those processes apply to our methods and techniques.
It provides future guidance to us to help us make sure that we're on track with the current guidances, but more importantly, we're in track with future guidances.
SGS is positioned very well to help support risk assessment and testing to ensure that compounding pharmacies have implemented the necessary corrective actions to assure the ultimate safety of the product that they're compounding.
Microbiology is a key aspect of all pharmaceutical testing. The last thing we want to do is to have a contaminated product treat a patient but then actually cause another problem. The fact that most of our facilities have microbiology and chemistry or biopharmaceutical services together means that we're in the position that we can do the testing on the product once and meet all of the client's needs.
SGS microbiology services follow the most recent compendia and regulatory guidances. Our global team of experts remain current with microbiological laboratory best practices. Our teams are frequently inspected, with some laboratories being inspected more than 70 times per year.
SGS wants to venture out and get into almost all kinds of testing. So by far, for microbiology, we want to bring in lysate testing and rapid method for sterility testing.
With Rapid Micro, where you can generate results within 24 hours, you are then in a position to dose the product and actually know that it was safe at the time of dosing.
We have a number of ongoing innovation programs. One that's most exciting to my team is the development of a service that tests and assesses for the presence of endotoxins in various products. It uses a cell-based system instead of the classical systems, and certainly we hope that that'll prove to be more reproducible and more accurate than the current classical methods, ultimately removing the issue of low endotoxin recovery that's been plaguing the industry.
Our short and medium long-term goals has to be able to deliver excellence in service to our clients. We need to be the proverbial chameleon and be what our clients need us to be.